To grow chili, start by selecting high-quality seeds from a reliable source. Choose a variety suited to your climate and the level of spiciness you desire. Begin by planting the seeds indoors in a shallow tray filled with seed starting mix. Lightly cover the seeds with soil and water gently to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Place the tray in a warm area with indirect sunlight or under grow lights. Germination usually takes 7 to 14 days. Once the seedlings develop their first set of true leaves, they can be transplanted into individual pots to allow the roots to grow freely. Use a well-draining potting mix rich in organic matter to support healthy growth. When the seedlings are about 6 inches tall and the outdoor temperature is consistently above 65 degrees Fahrenheit, you can transplant them to a garden bed or larger pots. Choose a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Space the plants 12 to 18 inches apart to ensure adequate air circulation. Water regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but avoiding waterlogging, and apply a balanced fertilizer every few weeks to encourage strong growth. Chili plants benefit from support, so consider staking taller varieties. Monitor for pests such as aphids or spider mites, and remove any affected leaves promptly. As the plants mature, flowers will appear, eventually developing into chili peppers. Harvest the peppers when they reach full size and the color indicates ripeness. Regular harvesting encourages continuous production throughout the season. With proper care, patience, and attention to sunlight, water, and nutrients, chili plants can provide a plentiful and spicy harvest that adds flavor to any dish.